If you have pieces of adhesive vinyl lying around, you can create like a last minute gift to dad, to the men in your life, to fathers, to for Father's Day. I will show you really quickly how to, make last minute gifts for Father's Day. Okay, we'll be using like pieces of I scrape pieces of not HTV, adhesive finder, and I will be using these bottles. The brand is Mainstays. You can get it from Walmart. Men love to drink. Why not make drinkware for them? And I will also use this beer mug from the Dollar Tree. You can get them really quick, and you can add these to Father's Day gift, what you already have, or you can give them to your husband, your friend for Father's Day. Okay, I will be customizing it with SVG, and the SVG I will have it on my website. You can download it from there. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to place my vinyl on my cutting board. I tape it because my mat is no longer sticky. So I'm cutting it. I will be writing down here the cut settings that I'm using on my old machine right here, but it cuts really, really well. I'm cutting 651 Oracle adhesive vinyl, and I will show you the cut settings. It cuts really, really well. So this is my design. This design is right here that I cut, and I also cut out the stars. I will show you the actual stars right there. And I'm going to use transfer tape from Swing Designs. If you need transfer tape, you can get from there. That's where I got mine. And it lasts for a very, very long time. Okay, and I'm going to cut it and then place it over my work. Okay, and place it over my work. I will show you how I place these stars on my bottle. Right here, and this is what I'm going to use for the bottle. I'm going to use this for the bottle, and the other one that I have over there for that. I always have a dry napkin and a wipe, a disinfected wipe. I clean the bottle with it, like to get the oily from your hand and from the store out, and I dry it with the napkin, with the dry napkin. Okay, and now I'm going to place this one to it. You can use your scraper tool to scratch it. I'm using an old card, and I scrape over it so that the vinyl can stick to the transfer paper. Okay, I put my bottle right here, and then I'm going to place my design on the bottle. Okay, adjust it a little bit, and then we're going to place it on it. And when I put it like this, I start from the middle. The middle. I rub my hand on it from the middle to the side, and then to the other side. And then I scrape it more with my hand. You see, it's like a heart, but to me it's like a shield. World's best dad. Fathers that shield the family. Okay. And then I will rip off the transfer tape, and you will see how amazing it is. These you can make for your husband, for your boyfriend, for your father. It's a very nice gift. But when we are not done, we are going to add the stars over it, like on the bottle too. You see, I will cut the paper. I will scrape it first, of course. Scrape it really well so that I can lift them with the transfer paper. And then I will cut it in the middle so that I can have more freedom to place the stars where I want to. This is a very nice thing to make for the men in your life. So I will place the stars like one by one. Make sure you don't place all the stars at once. Only pay attention to one, like take them one by one and stick them to the bottle like that. One by one all over the bottle. I love it. It came out so nice. Look at that. You need to try it. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try it. Even if it's not for Father's Day, you can just surprise your husband, your boyfriend, your father with a nice gift. Just use scrape like leftover adhesive vinyl that you have in your home. Just use it for to surprise them, to give them a gift. Look, it came out so nice. I love it. It came out so nice. And like I said, you can get this SVG from my website. Now let's go to the mug. Like a beer mug. My husband doesn't drink beer, but he will surely use this for juice with a lot of ice in it. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. I have three different pieces of vinyl, like 3 different colors too, and the text is like number 1 American Dad. I made this really quick in Silhouette Studio with the Coolege font, and the Coolege font you can get from thefont.com. This is just a regular font, number 1, and then we go to the American, and I'll paste it there. Yep, that one. I will paste that one on the cup, scrape over it so that I can lift it with the transfer tape. Yeah, rub my finger over it, and then I'll peel it off. We are getting there. Yeah, and I'm going to try that too. I'm going to do that. Oh, look what happened. Sometimes that can happen, but you can go back and eyeball where the A should be, where the letter should be, and then you scrape over it again, and then you peel it again. It doesn't want to work all the time, but now it will. I try it from the other side. Okay, and then I place it over there. I eyeball it like to see where I should put it, but it came out well. It's a little bit a little bit off, but it came out. It came out well to me. And you can make this really quick in Silhouette Studio or in Cricut Design Space. Now let's do the other side. I wipe it with disinfectant wipe and with a dry napkin. And I also put the scissor under it for support so that it doesn't roll off. Okay, now we're going to do this one. This SVG you can also get from my website. You can get it for free. When you go there, look for that SVG. A lot will come up, but you will see this one too. Yeah, because this one has so many it has so many parts. You have to scrape it really long before you can get it before you can lift it off with the transfer tape. And I'm gonna place it over here. I love it. Came out really well. Look at that. It came out really well. You can try this. You don't have to do it for Father's Day, but you can do it for, just give your husband, your boyfriend, your father. You can give them a gift. Oh, look, it wants to come off. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, they came out really nice and they are cute. And I designed these. I created these out of like scraps of adhesive vinyl. Look at that. Last moment things, you can do them. If you are going to try it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and come back for other videos. Thank you.